CAD, absolutely beautiful. I love this pair, and the reason why I trade it is because it does do, it's like I command it. It does do what I tell it to do. Okay, I was looking for exactly this high to be taken, drop back down into this gap, and then we look for a buy to continue going higher. All should happen within this shaded area. Okay, so within this shaded area, I started buying, or we started buying as a group in here. Okay, and then for some reason I saw that they were not ready to go down, going to go up. So I saw the manipulation, and when it turned around, I didn't see the actual buy. The actual buy was down here, and price run away, breaking structure to the upside here. So I'm expecting higher prices, but it's not going to go up in a straight line. So once we took out this first target, it's going to retrace. So I'm expecting it to retrace to this gap, and then we look for a buy to continue going higher. Okay, so Friday I took a sell on this one right here, the one I talked about earlier on New Zealand dollar with the manipulation. So I took a sell right here. Okay, after they manipulated price up and dropped it down. Okay, that's manipulation, this, and then drop it down. I took a sell right here, and then I looked for targeting there. So I got out exactly, let's go back in time, exactly right there. Okay, that was my target. And now price is going down. So where do I look for price to drop to? Here. And then once you get down there, we'll be looking for high prices. So what does all this means? It means that if you're not scared, if it pulls back up, you can look for a sell. So if it does pull back up here, the short-term high into this last up candle, you could look for a sell again to drop down here. Right, you could look for a sell to drop down here, and then once you get down there, I'll be looking for a buy. All right, so if it does pull back up, look for a sell to drop back down here, and once you get here, you'll be looking for a buy, because the daily is bullish. It's just going in a retracement. Okay, so I'm looking for this as a potential level to buy at and continue going higher.